How to add filter in Temu. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can filter search products. First of all, open the application. Now here on the top at the search bar, you'll be able to see the search icon. Tap on the search icon. Here on the top, you'll be able to see this filters option. So simply tap on filters. Now you can categorize whatever you like. Here you can even sort by the prices and even by alphabets. Now if you even swipe right, there are even options like color, themes and other properties that you can select it from. So this will make it easier to search the product and distinguish the product. So this can be used in order to search a specific product or a code according to the color and the features of it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.